What if Samsung's next budget-friendly flagship isn't really that budget anymore? That's the question a lot of people are asking after the latest Galaxy S25 FE leak, and honestly, there's plenty to unpack here. With Samsung gearing up to release the Galaxy S25 FE in just a few weeks, we're starting to see clearer details, and this time, we're looking at some major internal changes. Starting off, the phone is expected to be powered by the Exynos 2400 processor, a big step up from the older chips in previous FE models. It'll be backed by 12 gigabytes of RAM, making it more than capable of handling demanding apps and multitasking without lag. You'll be able to choose between 128 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, which means you're covered whether you're a casual user or someone who stores tons of videos and apps. Samsung is also expected to pre-install One UI 8 on this device, which is the latest version of their software based on Android. The phone is also dropping some weight this time. At 190 grams, the Galaxy S25 FE is significantly lighter than the Galaxy S24 FE, which weighed in at 213 grams. This reduction might not seem like a huge change at first, but when you hold a phone that feels lighter in the hand without sacrificing screen size or quality, it can be a game changer in everyday use. And yes, that screen is still top tier, a 7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Whether you're scrolling through your feed, watching videos, or just browsing the web, everything will look sharp and fluid. To protect this big display, Samsung is using Gorilla Glass Victus, one of the toughest materials currently used on smartphones. The device also comes with IP68 certification, which means it's resistant to dust and water, perfect for accidental spills or a walk in the rain. Now let's get to the camera. The leak shows that Samsung isn't going all in on changing the camera system. It's expected to have a triple camera setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and an 8 megapixels telephoto lens. These numbers might sound familiar, and that's because they are. Samsung is sticking to a proven formula that balances performance and price. The camera system should still deliver solid results for everyday photography, and with software tweaks from One UI 8, expect better processing and color accuracy. However, the battery situation might make some fans raise an eyebrow. The Galaxy S25 FE is rumored to come with a 4,500 mAh battery, which is a slight drop from the 4,700 mAh capacity in last year's S24 FE. But with improved chip efficiency and software optimization, this might not affect real-world battery life too much. Charging speeds will remain the same, 45 watt for wired charging and 15 watt for wireless, which isn't the fastest in the industry, but still reasonable for its class. With all of these changes, people are starting to wonder if the Fan Edition will still maintain the same attractive price point, or if Samsung is going to push it up a bit this year. That's still unclear, and the company hasn't made anything official yet. But if the pricing remains similar to past FE models, the Galaxy S25 FE could be one of the best value for money Android phones of the year. Whether you care about design, performance, or display quality, this phone seems to offer a good balance. If you're someone who wants premium features without breaking the bank, the S25 FE might be the phone to keep your eye on. Hit the like button if this video helped you out, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss the next update.